Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a mojito of pulse candy. First, gather your ingredients: 5 to 6 pulse candies, a handful of fresh mint leaves, and 1 whole lime. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of sugar and about 1 cup of chilled soda water. Don't forget plenty of ice cubes and a muddler to properly combine everything for the best flavor. To begin, crush 5 to 6 pulse candies into a fine powder. A mortar and pestle works best for this, ensuring a consistent texture. Next, in a sturdy glass, combine 6 to 8 fresh mint leaves with 2 tablespoons of sugar and a few lime wedges. Gently muddle these ingredients together, pressing just enough to release the mint's fragrant oils without shredding the leaves. Now, add the finely crushed pulse candy powder directly into the glass with your muddled mint and lime. Give it a quick stir to combine the flavors. Then, fill your glass generously with ice cubes, almost to the brim. Finally, pour about 1 cup of chilled soda water over the entire mixture. Stir gently with a spoon to ensure all ingredients are well integrated and the candy dissolves. For the perfect presentation, garnish your pulse candy mojito with a fresh mint sprig and a thin slice of lime. Serve it immediately to fully appreciate the refreshing, tangy, and uniquely sweet flavors. This drink is a fantastic twist on a classic, offering a delightful surprise with every sip. Remember to check the description for the link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade candy mojito.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.